Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Narayana, the founder of NS Tech Blog. Well, today I'm gonna show you how to reset a Dell monitor. This is my Dell monitor. Well, now I'm gonna show you how to reset it. First, you need to know why we need to reset a monitor. For that sake, well, first to clear some common errors that might occur in a monitor, and to make all the settings to default with one action. Okay, now I will show you how to reset your Dell monitor. Well, first you are gonna find the menu keys here. Well, this is the power button and these are the navigation buttons. You can see this is my dual monitor setup. That's why I have very consistent space in my monitor setup. Well, the third button is the menu button. First you need to click on it, then choose the menu item. Well, these are the changes. You can observe my brightness and the contrast is 60 and 60. Well, after resetting the monitor, you can see how this number will change. We need to go the last but one option, other settings. Oops. Menu. With the navigation buttons, you can select other settings. Now here is the option we want, factory reset. You can go all the way to the down and select the option. There is a pop-up here. Are you sure you want to reset the default settings? Choose yes. By default it is selected no, but I need to choose yes. Then click the select option. You can see the changes in my screen, and let me show you the brightness option. Well, the default settings with 75 brightness and 75 contrast. By this way you can reset your Dell monitor. Well, thank you. I'm gonna find you in the next video. If you like this content, do follow our social channels and subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you.